Adding categories in Ecwid helps organize your products, making it easier for customers to navigate your online store. Here's how to create product categories. Log into your Ecwid account. Visit Ecwid and sign in with your credentials. Access the Categories section. From the dashboard, go to Catalog Categories. Add a new category. Click on the plus Add Category button. This will open a new window where you can enter the details for your category. Enter category information. Fill in the category name, which should reflect the products it contains. Optionally, add the description to provide more information about the category. Upload a category image. If desired, upload an image to represent the category visually. This can enhance your store's appearance. Set category visibility. Choose whether to display the category in your storefront by checking or unchecking the visibility option. Save changes. Click Save to create the category. Assign products to the category. Go back to Catalog, Products, and edit individual products to assign them to your newly created category.